Hello, today I'm going to show you a quick and easy acupuncture point for hand arthritis. Pain, stiffness, swelling, redness, and poor grip are all signs of hand arthritis. There are many types of arthritis that can affect your hands, but wear and tear arthritis, also known as osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid arthritis, an autoimmune condition, are the most common. Family history, previous hand injury, and age are all predisposing factors. There is no known cure for hand arthritis, and mild treatments like hand stretches and strengthening help some. Hot and cold contrast baths for your hands are sometimes recommended. Physical therapy and massage therapy are reported to help improve range of motion and reduce pain. And I can tell you, based upon my years of treating patients with chiropractic, that chiropractic can help reduce the pain and stiffness of hand arthritis. Medical treatment includes non-steroidal anti-inflammatory medications, steroid medications, and opioid painkillers. While these medications can provide symptomatic relief, the side effects of long-term use are staggering. Surgery is the last resort. Stem cell treatment holds much promise, but is not yet fully developed, and is certainly not affordable by all, and sometimes doesn't produce desired results. If you have arthritis in your hands, the Arthritis Miracle Point just might give you the relief that you're looking for. The Hand Arthritis Miracle Point has been a closely guarded secret for centuries and does not show up on usual acupuncture charts. My name is Dr. Barrett. I am a chiropractor, nutritionist, and herbalist. I'm certified in acupoint physical medicine. I've helped thousands of people live better naturally, and I want to help you too. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to be notified as more videos are released. The Hand Arthritis Miracle Point is actually 3 points located on the back of your hand. To find the Hand Arthritis Miracle Point, find the web between your ring and your pinky finger, over here. Then move down over the knuckle till you find yourself in an area between 2 bones. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the Hand Arthritis Miracle Point. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a tei shin, it might look like this. Now find and activate the other 2 Hand Arthritis Miracle Points on your hand. Once you've completed that, find and activate the Hand Arthritis Miracle Points on your other hand. Whether you have arthritis on both hands or one hand, you want to activate the points bilaterally. If you have arthritis in your hands, I suggest that you activate the Hand Arthritis Miracle Points 3 times a day for 30 days for fast results, and then use these points as needed thereafter. And if you know someone who has the pain, stiffness, swelling, and weakness of arthritis in the hands, I encourage you to share this video with them. It is intended to reduce pain, improve flexibility, promote healing, and just might produce a miracle. Thank you for watching. Till next time, this is Dr. Barrett signing off. Yours, the health naturally.